Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Essence of Time, which is hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts on YouTube and Instagram. And this is basically a 100-day project where you just take 10 minutes of your day and see what all you can make in that time frame. Okay, so I'm trying to play catch up because I'm behind. So I'm wanting to do days 18, 19, and 20. And so what I'm going to do is, since this is Happy Meal, I'm using my journal for Happy Meal. I received some Happy Meal, and so I'm going to use it for the first session, and then I'm going to make something with it, or depending on what it is. I may make something with it, or I may make something with some of my other stuff. We'll see. But depending, like I said, depending on what it is. And so for the first session, we'll do the Happy Meal. And then and part of after the Happy Meal, depending on what it is, and if I have time to start on another thing, I'll do that. And then for the next two sessions, I'll record it, but it'll be sped up, and then I'll show you what I did for like all three sessions. Okay, so let's go ahead and set my timer. All right, and this right here is from Betsy. She had sent me and two other people from her. She did like a giveaway thing, and so I was one of the recipients. And I don't want to mess this up because I like this envelope, and I love how she's got it stamped on there. So I may even use this on part of it, of the journal, or add this to the journal, or at least add this flower or something. We'll see. So I'm going to carefully open this up, and then we're going to see what we've got going on. Make sure I didn't leave anything in here. Okay. And then wow, thank you, Useful Creations. She has some of the prettiest stuff. And I'm going to read this to myself because I don't know if she wants anyone else to see it. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Betsy. Wow. Look at this. Oh, we are definitely, oh, wow. She's giving me a bunch of ephemera. Look at these little things. And look at her little tags. She always has these cute little dangles and stuff on here. Let me make sure I can get it in the light. Love these. Love the papers and all of that. Just look at that. Love that. Yes. Oh, wow. Look at these little paper clips. Oh my goodness. These little hidden paper clips with the dangles and stuff. Get your heart soar as high as it will. So, yeah, get your heart soar as high as it will. Look at that. Kind, faith. Wow. This is just so sweet, Betsy. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm definitely going to put these inside my journal because I love all of these. That is so nice of you. All these little paper clips and things. Look now, look at this one. Because it's double-sided. These are all double-sided. Love these. Oh, and I'm just a sucker for like the dangles and stuff like that. She always makes some of the prettiest little things. And oh my goodness. Yes, look at this. Gorgeous stamped images and stuff. Thank you so much, Betsy. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. I love this little clip. I'm probably going to make a bee journal, and I'm going to add that in there. I'm not real sure, but yeah. And then we have our little frames and stuff. Oh, I'm going to have fun with these. Definitely going to have fun with these frames because I can do a lot with those. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and set one of them to the side because I want to make something with it. And we've got, oh, look at these little die cut shapes. You got the little bird. You got the cute key. Oh my goodness. I can definitely do a whole lot with these. I'm going to use this because, ooh, these are like library cards. Oh, these are so cute. Document, love that. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to use one of those. Oh, and I love these little different shapes and stuff. I might use one of those. I don't know for sure. Thank you so much, Betsy. Oh my goodness. Because I love to make stuff. So yeah, so now I do have time. And I'm going to add this in there too. On one of the pages. But we're going to, definitely add one of these. Add that on there too. These are so cute. Let me put these in here so I don't lose them. All right, so I'm going to set these to the side. And I'm going to do a layout. So, let's see what we've got going on. I could finish up one of these pages or just start a new one. This actually would look good in here or even right here. I might just add this right here because I like that blue that's already in here. I want to kind of start another page, but I am going to add that in there. I could finish this page. I want to start a completely different page. So, we've got this. And we've got this. So, let's see. I am going to use... this is just random. I don't even know. I'm just going with the flow. I'm just taking something. This right here, I had gotten this either off of Shein or Temu a few years ago. And these are like transparent, kind of like vintage style looking papers and things. So this is transparent. This isn't transparent. But I like that background, and I like that background up against this white. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to randomly, I'm going to start doing some art journaling, which is kind of like junk journaling / art journaling, and just making layouts and stuff. So using some of my stuff that I need to use that I've just been sitting on for a while. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Let's see. I might use that. I don't even know for sure what's what. I might use this because it's coffee dyed. I'm just going through my stash just to see what I have. I haven't even planned this whatsoever. Oops, didn't even tear that up. I might use that. I've got a lot of stuff in here that I'm not sure. Let's see. Like I said, I haven't planned anything out. I'm just taking stuff out to see what I can use. Oh, let me find my coffee stuff. I wish I would have already taken that out. I think I know where it is. My die cut, or my fussy cut stuff from the other week. I'm not going to worry about it because I will be searching all day long. Yeah, so we're going to make do with what we have. So I'm going to, I do like this. Actually, I think I will just focus on this page since we've already got backgrounds on here. And I'm going to take another one of those clear pages that I had, and this is going to be, it's kind of like a window, but you'll still be able to see the brown behind it. And I'm going to glue this to this. Let me first distress it. The good thing about me speeding up my next one is I'll be able to look for my stuff before I actually start. Well, no, because that's cheating. Let's cheat. And I was gonna say I'll be able to look for my stuff before starting the next session, but I really do need to find my little coffee stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I know that I'm gonna hit. It's gonna be paused after these first 10 minutes. I am gonna pause before I start my next 10-minute session. That way I can gather some of my stuff together, and then we're gonna see what we can make. I know that sounds like cheating. This is a coffee theme, so I'm gonna glue this on. This is gonna kind of be like a little window. Oh, this is great. Should I put that on there, or should I just leave it? I think I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so that's our first 10 minutes, and let me just go ahead and glue this down first since I've already got it in my hand. Alright, so I'm going to hit pause, and then I'm going to find what I was looking for, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my 10 minutes. So now it's time to start the next 10 minutes. So I think I'm pretty much finished, and I got done early, and I'm satisfied with it. So we still have like a couple more minutes, but I think I'm just going to leave that alone and call this a completed project. So this might be a 10 minutes or less kind of deal. So this is what we have. I just kind of made a collage of some of the different things. This was from Debbie from Ink and Page, and then this was just the coffee dyed tag that I had. And then of course we have Betsy's tag, gorgeous, gorgeous tag on here. And it fits perfectly back behind here. And I might add something else behind here too, because maybe on the next video I might make something like a bigger tag that has a pocket in it, but the pocket would sit further up so that this would stay up. But I like that blue because I think it breaks up that brown and other colors and stuff. But yeah, here's the full page. And oh, I should have put something on the window. Well, like a little coffee word. Let me just see. I still have like a minute. Let me just find like a little old coffee word or coffee cup. So here we go. I'm just going to put this on here. I'm going to stress it and then put it on there, and then that's it. And this is my days 18, 19, and 20. So, and I was able to complete a layout. Cute, I think. So here's our little coffee window. They have our little snacks and things like that. I like it. So what do you guys think with the Happy Meal? Cute, cute stuff that she sent, and I was able to use it really quickly. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And feel free to play along, and if you do, just use the hashtag just use the hashtag essenceoftime. And that way we can find your channel and your projects and get to check it out. So once again, thanks for watching and happy crafting.